Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to hide toolbar after capturing a screenshot or a video on our Samsung Galaxy S22 using our screenshots option or video recording option. So of course we need to go to settings, then we are looking for advanced features here, and here we have screenshots and screen recorder menu. And here at the top we have show toolbar after capturing. If we don't want our toolbar to be visible after we take a screenshot, we just turn it off here, and now it will be turned off. No need to save. The phone will remember our settings, so we can go back to our home screen, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.